Here at IM Global, we are a cooperative community. What is that, you ask? Great question. It simply means that our members, you for example, are our owners. Everything we do is for the benefit of our members, like you, not the benefit of some so-called guru, CEO, or shareholders. We are a community of entrepreneurs and marketers, helping and championing other entrepreneurs. The best part is 100% of our profits are shared among our members, like you. There are 6 ways to share in the profits of the IM Global cooperative community, and it's simple. It's fun and very profitable. You can use your profits to pay for your membership, pay for your marketing, or even pay for your new extravagant lifestyle. It's really up to you. It all works on the mystical and magical power of 3. Step 1, you upgrade. Step 2, you give away the 30-day marketing challenge to others. Step 3, you teach them to do the same. I told you it was simple and fun, didn't I? Now here's the nitty-gritty so you can see how profitable 3 can really be. You earn when you upgrade. Number 1, Power Team shares. We take 15% of all our new member revenue each week and reward our newest members when they upgrade for the first time. Here's how it works. When you registered as a pre-enrollee, you locked in your spot in the Power Team, and everyone from around the world who registers after you will fall under you. You earn 2 shares for everyone in your Power Team who upgrades below you. We even guarantee you 1 revenue share when you upgrade, so all you need to do is upgrade to earn. Yes, upgrade to earn. We guarantee it. If you don't upgrade by the end of our weekly cutoff, the countdown timer is on your marketing dashboard. Everyone who upgraded after you will jump over you, and they will earn shares from you. Bottom line, the sooner you upgrade, the more you will make. This revenue is shared at the close of each week with all of our newly upgraded members. You can earn instantly when you refer others. Number 2, referral bonus and instant profits. Refer 3, yours is free. Simply refer 3 active members with an equal or greater membership than yours, and you will earn 33.33% for life, paid instantly. Refer more to earn more. There is no limit and is paid for life on every active member you refer. It's instant monthly reoccurring profits for simply giving away a free 30-day marketing challenge. Pretty awesome, isn't it? You can also earn monthly by helping your community grow. All the next revenue shares are paid monthly on the 7th of the following month. Number 3, mentorship shares. We believe in members helping members, so we reward you to help other members get their membership for free. We take 45% of monthly profits and share it among all our elite members who refer 3 and help those 3 refer 3. You earn 1 revenue share for every 3 members you refer, who refer 3 members. There is no limit. You can earn as many shares as you like. Help all your personal referrals get their membership for free and cash in on the power of 3. Number 4, shareholder shares. When your personal referred community reaches 250 or more active members with no more than 60% coming from any one referral, you qualify for a shareholder revenue share. 25% of monthly profits is shared among all shareholders to reward those growing the IM Global community. Number 5, director shares. When your personal referred community grows to 1,000 or more active members with no more than 60% coming from any one referral, you qualify for a director share. 15% of monthly profits are shared among all directors to reward them for growing the IM Global community. Director's share is a whopping total of 40% of all monthly profits. Number 6, co-founder shares. When your personal referred community grows to 2,500 or more active members with no more than 60% coming from any one referral, you qualify for a co-founder's share. We'll take 10% of all monthly profits to reward those growing the IM Global community. Share in a whopping total of 50% of all monthly profits as a co-founder. Imagine thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars rolling into your bank account every month on autopilot. Don't you just love the power of 3? Our mentors, shareholders, directors, and co-founders are our key community members and leaders, and you will also qualify to have voting rights to shape the direction of the IM Global community. We invite you to step up and become a community leader and reap the recognition and financial rewards today. It all starts with the simplicity and power of 3. 1, upgrade. 2, share. 3, teach. It's simple, it's fun, it's profitable. It's the I Am Global Revolution.